Shape your future, achieving a muscular physique. In our modern world, fitness has emerged as the new standard of success and well-being. Sculpting a muscular physique is no longer an unattainable dream. You don't need to morph into a bodybuilder or use steroids. This program is designed to help you achieve a fit, athletic look comparable to that of a male model or a professional fighter. What you need is determination, consistency, and the right guidance. You can control how big you eventually get by controlling your calories. This program focuses on tailored workouts, balanced diet plans, and motivation. Each element is designed to support your transformation journey, physically and mentally. Remember, every transformation starts with a single step. Take the first step today towards a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. Join us today and start shaping your future. Get ready to attain the muscular physique you've always wanted.